Hello, welcome to Libra Philippines. So, ito yung reading natin for Libra. Sun, Moon, Rising, Venus, Jupiter, Libra. Pagpasensya mo lang guys, medyo matamlay ako ngayon. So, kung hindi masyadong maganda yung pagka-deliver ko ng message, okay lang yun. Mahalaga nag-reading ako, no? Actually, natutuwa ako sa mga nag-comment dyan. Kaya sana mag-comment ka kasi kahit ganito na masama yung pakiramdam ko or wala ako sa mood mag-reading, pag nakikita ko yung mga comment nyo, mga smileys ninyo, kahit pa paano naiibsa na rin yung nagaganahan na rin ako mag-reading. So, sana mag-comment kayo niya sa baba. Anyway, take only what resonates. Personal reading, Madam, space P as in princess, and then space din sa huli pa para ma-search mo sa Facebook yung aking Facebook page. Sana mag-follow ka sa akin doon. Mag-share ako ng mga kung ano-ano doon na sana makita mo rin. Okay. Page of Wands, Eight of Pentacles, Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn, Aries, Leo, Sagittarius. Kunin ko na rin sa energy ng person mo. Libra. Temperance is here. This is Sagittarius energy. The Death card, Scorpio energy. Dalawang major arcana. King of Pentacles. Okay. Main energy mo nakikita na you're working hard. You're focusing on career. Ayan. Gusto mong mag-focus sa pera. Gusto mong Page of Wands. But I feel like although busy ka, ginagawa mo pa rin ng time na makipag-connect, communicate dito sa person na to. So, may communication. The Temperance is here. This is Sagittarius energy. Yung person na ito is always waiting for you. Nandyan lang siya para sa'yo. Lagi nandyan para sa'yo. The Death card is here. Like, ito yung tipo ng tao na kahit anong mangyari, hindi siya takot sa ending eh. Siya yung tipo ng tao na parang sanay na siya sa mga transformation sa sarili niya, sa buhay niya, etc. Sa dami ng pinagdaanan niya sa mundo, pagdating sa'yo, parang okay lang ako, willing ako maghintay sa'yo. Kung ano mang maging desisyon mo sa buhay mo, etc. Andito lang ako. I feel like this person that you're dealing with is your number one supporter. Kung hindi ka nakaka-relate guys, wag mong kunin ang messages, ibigay mo sa iba. So ikaw, you're just focusing on your goals, focusing on yourself. Sa ngayon, hindi pa nga klaro sa'yo kung anong gusto mong mangyari. Mas nakikita natin gusto mo lang magkapera muna. I don't know if you do have a lot of subscriber, follower, or marami kang friends. I see a lot of people who admires you a lot. Ang daming humahanga sa'yo, kaibigan, pamilya, etc. So, pwedeng sa family mo, ang daming nagsasabi na ganito, ganyan, galing-galing mo na, ganito, ganyan. So, I can see a lot of pag-aangat sa'yo ng ibang tao. Eh, hindi ka naman para iangat yung sarili mo. Sila na kusa nag-aangat sa'yo. Sila na kusang nag-a-admire sa'yo or meron kasing mga tao na talaga magaling magbuhat ng sarili nilang bangkuan eh. Alam mo yun, yung ganung kasabihan. Parang iaangat nila yung sarili nila. Pero ikaw hindi eh. Ikaw yung tipo ng tao mismo ang nag-aangat sa'yo. No? Na hindi mo na kailangan magyabang. Kasi yung mga tao na mismo nagsasabi sa'yo, no, ang galing mo naman, gano'n ganyan. So, I can see they are actually proud of you. Na minsan, hindi ka naman ganun ka-proud sa sarili mo kasi parang you see this thing na ginagawa mo na parang, ito lang to, wala naman to, ganito, ganyan. Pero para sa kanila, wow, amazing, ang galing. You are the King of Pentacles, you are the Nine of Pentacles, you are the Queen of Pentacles, kahanga-hanga ka. 'Di ba? Para sa ibang tao. Yung iba, financially, parang ang tingin nila sa'yo, ang galing mo naman gawa ng pera or wow. Hindi, kasi iba yung sabihin nating swerte eh. 'Di ba? Ikaw yung tipo ng taong hindi, pinaghirapan mo kung ano yung mga meron ka ngayon. At nakikita yun ng mga tao sa paligid mo, nakikita yun ng mga followers mo, subscribers mo, if you have one, but I see a lot. I can see a lot of people na talagang sa'yo, na-admire. Kamoy ako ng dalandan or something citrus. This could be a reading. Well, yung person mo, Temperance, nagpapakita ito as a person who is very patient. Sa ngayon, maybe there's someone here na stuck. Like, hindi makaalis or hindi... Oh, I'm seeing third party situation. So, yung iba sa inyo, yeah, look. Ito yung while I'm shuffling both of the cards here at the bottom of the deck, 8 of Swords, saka 3 of Swords. Nagpapakita ito ng could be stuck in a third party situation. Yung third party situation could be anything ha. Pag sinabi ko third party, that could be a person na related ang isa sa inyo sa love, or could be third party na work, yan, pwedeng hindi nyo magawa or may sakatuparan yung mga gusto nyo gawin sa ngayon. Mag-offer, hindi magawang mag-offer ng anything na gustong i-offer kasi hindi pa, stuck pa sa work, sa career, ganon. Or hindi maisakatuparan yung career development na kung may plano man kayo, etc. Dahil stuck pa sa work or career na yun. So, may mga ganon. So, I don't know. Ano yung emotion ninyo sa isa't isa? Nakakita ko dito ng paghanga. Like physical attraction is nandito talaga. Emotions ninyo sa isa't isa. Emotion ninyo sa isa't isa. The Five of Cups, Two of Cups, and the King of Swords. Okay. Emotion ninyo sa isa't isa. Okay. Queen of Cups, Nine of Swords, and the Six of Wands. Aries, Leo, Sagittarius, Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces, and the Gemini, Libra, Aquarius energy. Bottom of the deck is the King of Wands and the Queen of Pentacles. If you're, I mean, I can see kalungkutan or maybe disappointments pagdating sa relationship. So, maybe ikaw, pwedeng present relationship mo ngayon or past relationship, pwedeng naka-experience ka ng hindi magandang connection pagdating sa love or disappointments pagdating sa love. Pero with the King of Swords, nandun yung, you are an air sign. You are the King of Swords. Air sign, sila yung pinaka-flighty sa connection. Like, alam mo yun, para silang may mga sariling pakpak na parang, oh, I'm here, oh, alis na ako, hindi ko nakikita yung connection natin na mag-grow, oh, I'm here again, itry nating i-workout, okay, I will go, parang ganun. They're so flighty. And that is you. So, pwedeng nakakita ka ng mga disappointments pagdating sa relationship or nakaranas ka ng disappointments pagdating sa relationship. And then, ito yung nagiging dahilan sa'yo para walk away sa connection or mag-cut off ng connection. It is because maybe hindi mo nakikita na go-grow or mag-grow pa yung connection or relationship ninyo. By the way, nakakita ko ng microphone. I don't know, maybe you are a singer or magaling ka kumanta or maybe you have followers. Maybe you're singing online or what. Emotion ng person mo sa'yo is a Queen of Cups, the Nine of Swords, and the Six of Wands. Huwag mo kunin yung part na yun, guys, yung sinabi ko about pagkanta kung hindi ka nakaka-relate doon. Aries, Leo, Sagittarius, Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces. And this person is in pain. Nasasaktan siya. And the Queen of Cups, this person loves you. Mahal ka niya. And the Six of Wands, I feel like this person is willing to fight for you. Yeah. Hindi ko alam kung minsan na ba kayo nagkausap na may kinalaman sa relihiyon. like opinion about religion or what. Or maybe may mga pinanood kang video about religion bago ka nood sa akin. This could be a reading. Or pwede magkaiba kayo ng religion. Something to do with religion. So, nasasaktan itong person na to kasi this person wants to fight or this person wants to, alam mo yun, i-push natin to. Yan, ilalaban ko to. Mahal ka ng taon to. Yan. Gusto ka niya. Clarify the Nine of Swords. Ba't siya nasasaktan? Three of Swords is here. Could be because of a third-party situation na parang wala siyang magawa. The Four of Swords. Pero ikaw yung nakakapagpasaya sa taon to eh. Kaya nga, doon siya nasasaktan. Could be, nasaktan siya because of a third-party situation. Or because nakita niya or na may involvement ng third party dito sa connection niya. So, nasasaktan siya dahil doon. So, it will happen in the near future. And, nung pagtingin ko sa timer ng phone, I just saw the number 1111. That is an angel number for you. Okay, the High Priestess, the Nine of Cups. In the near future for you, Libra. Six of Cups. Clarify the Six of Cups. Eight of Cups. And then Four of Pentacles. Queen of Swords. Seven of Cups. Five of Wands. And the Magician. Strength card is at the bottom of the deck. The Moon and the Lovers. Wheel of Fortune. Wow. Ten of Pentacles. Actually, puro major arcana yung sa bottom of the deck natin. You are the High Priestess in the future. Nakikita natin how develop yung spiritual knowledge, yung skills mo. Nine of Cups, you do have a lot of options pagdating sa love. And I can see two options, by the way, the past and the future. Okay, so may mga options ka in the near future about relationship, about connection. Pero you are choosing yourself for the Four of Pentacles is here. Ang mga na to, mas pinipili mo yung sarili mo kasi ayaw mo na masaktan or ayaw mo nang etc. Ayaw mo nang maiwan or what. I don't know. The Four of Pentacles is you choosing yourself. At saka yung mga experiences mo sa buhay actually, naging strength mo na yun eh. You do have your strength. This is Leo energy. So, parang mas nag-focus ka na lang sa talent mo, skills mo, and yung lakas ng pakiramdam mo, mas pinaiiral mo yon. No, maybe in the past, nasanay ka sa anong iisipin ng isang tao, anong mararamdaman ng isang tao towards you. Parang you are a people pleaser. Pangit man yung pakinggan, pero you try to please a lot of people in the past. Okay, tinry mo silang i-please, tinry mo na maipakita yung best mo para sa kanila para hindi ka nila iwan or whether ito ay friends or family or yun nga, love. Nakikita natin na parang ay hindi ako pwedeng maging ganito, ganyan kasi baka iwan ako, ganyan. But now you are focusing on yourself. Parang wala na akong pakialam kung ano sasabihin ng ibang tao. Basta in the future, I see you that you are focusing on yourself, what you want, what will make you happy. Tapos, what will make you shine. 'Di ba? Saan ka pa mas mag-grow, saan ka mag-shine, which is maganda ito. In the future, there's a pagka-cut off ng but I can see some kind of away or pagkahagulo na matatapos or mag-end. The Seven of Cups is here. I feel like merong mga goals dito na ma-achieve or makukuha. Maraming magagalit, maraming maiinis sa gagawin mo nito. I feel like this is you. I mean, hindi ko nakuha yung energy ng person mo. This is you. You will definitely shine. Nakakita ko ng ilaw, spotlight. Talaga nakatutok sa'yo eh. Literal or could be sa buhay mo talagang malapit na yung ikaw ay mas mapapansin, mas magliliwanag, mas marami ang makakakita or pansin sa'yo na magiging dahilan para ikaw ay kainisan or kagalitan. Hindi makagalitan. Kainisan ng iba. Ganun talaga yun. Pag nag-grow ka, mas dumadami din yung maiinggit or maiinis sa'yo. But it's okay. Ang maganda dito na wala na yung pagka-people pleaser mo. And that's one of the important lesson na natutunan mo sa buhay mo. So thank you for watching. I love you all and bye-bye.